Instant Pot Halloween candy cheesecake. Your costume, sir.
Thank you.
What school are you graduating?
I am Instant Potter from Hogfat's Culinary School of Wizardry.
Harry Potter, Instant Potter.
Get it?
Get it?
Yes, and I'm from the House of Pressure. So today we are going to do a cheesecake, and we are going to start with 1 cup of graham crumb crackers. I'm going to do a little bit of butter, 4 tablespoons, a half a stick.
Why are you laughing?
Mix it up.
Because he's brilliant.
There we go.
Because he's brilliant.
I'm going to show you. You don't even need a wand to do this. It's that simple. Who needs a wand, right? Put
How
that
could
down.
you not love him?
All right. We've got the graham crackers and the butter melted, and a 1/4 cup of crushed peanuts. We're going to mix that around in there a little bit. Then we're going to take a 7x3 springform pan with a little bit of parchment round. Make sure it's nice and slicked up in there. We want to make sure. We don't want it to stick.
More
nice
butter.
and slick. Slick so it don't stick, right? Let's put that in there.
Don't stick.
Yeah,
Honestly, I could watch him for hours.
Apparently, Instant Potter's from Long Island. Who knew? I'm going to put this in there, and I'm going to shake this out. I'm going to take a glass, and I'm going to just press it around, get that crust going in the bottom. Very, very easy. And we're just going to do this, make some of it go to the sides a little bit.
like
just
coffee
like
talk.
that. Just
It is.
Linda
Coffee
Richmond,
talk.
I'm going to conjure her up. Boom! There we go. And we're going to pop this in the freezer for 15 minutes and just let that set. While that's happening, let's move to this amazingly Halloween-themed stand mixer.
Isn't it perfect? It's orange and
Could
black.
it be more perfect? It couldn't be. And I added here 2 8-ounce bricks of cream cheese. Must be softened. You have to keep it softened so the lumps cut out very quickly and it creams nicely. With a 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, cream that up. All right, there we go. Get it nice and creamed. While that's going, we already got it. I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup of sugar.
Peanut butter cream cheese. With the peanuts in the crust. I mean,
You're going to keep going. Exactly. Then we're going to add in a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add in a secret ingredient. I wanted my peanut butter with bananas, right? So I'm adding in 1 packet of banana instant pudding. It has to be instant, all right? All right. Put that in there. It's like a cauldron. It's so I'm used to this at my school, you know. And I'm going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 2 large eggs, also at room temperature, so the yolk breaks and it blends nice and easily, right? So we got this going on in there. This is all I had to do. I told you don't need a wand. Anybody can do this. I am now going to take my batter. It should be nice and thick, almost like a frosting.
Look, you got one here. Just skip ahead.
There we go.
It's
Let's just skip
television.
ahead.
They understand.
Yeah, they know. And here we go. We've
You
already
put this on that, and it's this.
Yes, here we go. There we go. Done, and then there's candy in the middle layer
He gets
right
the
here.
wand.
There we go.
He goes like this, the timing.
I'm going to pop this in my Instant Pot. It has 2 cups of water in there. It's going to act as a steam oven is what it's going to do, okay? I'm going to put the lid on top. From there, I'm going to pressure cook it for 60 minutes, let that get going, and then when it's done, we're going to let it rest for 30 minutes, so it's 90 minutes. It's pretty quick for a cheesecake. And then I say the magic words. I say cheesecakeous instantaneous. There we go. They taught me that. There we go. And there is our cheesecake. We're going to move on. We are going to frost it. We're going to put some of this amazing hazelnut spread. There we go. There we go.
Now you're just showing off.
And then the best part, come on, is always the topping with the cheesecake, right? Put some peanut butter cups on there. Yeah, you know, Rachel, help me out with that one. Yeah. Just put whatever your favorite candies on there. Crush them up.
Whatever you stole from your children or your neighbors.
Everything.
Put some more of this
Just
on
keep
top.
going.
Don't be-
Just
just go.
please be my guest. Yes, there it
This
is.
man. Step-by-step Instapot. You come back, pinky swear, when the new book is done.
Of course.
This is available wherever books are sold.